Okay, here's an update video. As you can see, there's paint on the trailer. Yeah, only one coat so far, but I'm only gonna second coat the parts you see with the darker red, and I'm just gonna show you the difference here between the dark red and the light red. I don't think I mixed enough of the darker color together, and since it was completely custom, I didn't want to use it all up on the underside of the trailer where you can't see it because the boards are going on here, right? So you can kind of, let's see now here, yeah. So there's a lot of places here where you can see the difference between the two colors. So that's regular Regal red, and then that's my custom brownish dark red that I did. I really like the dark red color. So as you can see, I've got, by the way, this piece here will have 2 holes drilled in it for the latches for the tailgate, and it's on a slope like that because if you shut the tailgate, it'll click in, okay? It's kind of like a door latch in a way. And here's the tailgate frames over here. They only have the bottom hinge mounted on them. The top hinge will actually mount using the boards and bolted through. That'll be done a little bit later once everything is cured. Yeah, you can see a little bit. Oops, I touched that. So this is black in here because this is you can see it. It is like the wheel well, and since the fenders are black, I decided to just do my Pour 15 in there. It's not going to see the sun, and it'll look better. So that's the way I did that. So everything that is not covered by a board and that you can see is going to be is my darker red here. So there's my spare tire mount. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, eh? Once you get the paint on there, you can really see what's going on with this trailer. There's my new coupler that I got from Amazon. This is a Husky coupler. It's bolted and welded on. It's got that nice little pin to lock it. I got to dig through my jacks. I've got several the 3-hole mount jacks that I can fix one of them up. They're all kind of Mickey Mouse in a way, so I have to go through those and make up a nice one for there. That's where the aluminum box goes. There's the aluminum box. Anyway, yeah, it's coming along really good. So you bet. Yeah. So nice dark red trailer. And you can see where I've got my piece here to slip the boards in underneath. And of course my bumper, that'll look nice. Being red and then having red taillights, well, you're not going to really notice those taillights too much. But that's okay. That's fine. Okay.